ग्लोबल स्पोकन इंग्लिश फर्राटेदार अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखे मात्र 90 दिनों में।
Morning, all of you. Good morning. Good morning. First of all, I would like to thank my respected teacher and my friends who give me a golden chance every day to speak front of you all. So, my topic is how to become hard worker person from lazy person. So, if you want to become hard worker in your life, and so first thing you have to remember and thing is that uh, you do anything, just remember in your mind that I can do anything, and without hard work I think you cannot achieve anything, whatever. Yeah, without hard working you cannot achieve anything. I had a lot of friends who were a very lazy friends that time. So no, right now I saw one friend who car, drive the car, Bolero car, for bring people from that car and drop from one place to another. So this type of work my friend uh, was doing. So a lazy person, lazy person have a work, and what's the work? Only sleep, eat, and just only sleep. So in life, when we want to succeed in life, so someone say that okay, if you want to succeed in life, so start doing work. So that time, that time he is lazy person. So that time he is move on, and he said that I will not do anything because I feel sleepy right now. And so this is we, we should not become a lazy person in our life. You can see Mukesh Ambani, you know, Mark Zuckerberg, hard worker person. Now, right now, he achieved a lot of things. So because not because of his laziest person. He was not a laziest person. Mark Zuckerberg was not lazy person. Mukesh Ambani was not laziest person. He was hardest person, hard worker person. So that's why right now he achieved a lot of things. So I'm here only. I want to say that if you want to do something in your life, so please make a one goal, not other goal like don't think that I become a police officer, I become a doctor, I will become IS officer, I will become police. One thing, one goal, keep in your mind that what will I become? Like doctor, if you want to become a doctor, so only think about how I become doctor, how can learn from other doctor that what will we do if I become doctor, how I will give medicine to patent when I become a doctor. So every time Ajaz sir want to become IS officer, and Ajaz sir is one goal, only IS. So this is the very big things. Ajaz sir think very big because IS officer, IS becoming IS is very tough because if you want to become IS, so you have to take more knowledges. You have to take social knowledge, and you know everything about who is the DM, who is the CM, everything in your mind. 24 hours. If anyone suddenly ask you who is the DM, so that time you will tell, not you will think that what is the answer of this question. This is the if you want to become IAS officer, so please make your mind powerful. Make your mind, because if you become I hope you will pass your question answer exam, and but in interview they will only check your IQ, what your IQ, and what you think and what will you do in your life. In interview time, while interview time, he will see that what is your position and what will you do. So he will ask you a typical question, hard question, and that time you only think, then they will not hire you, they will not give you post. So if you want to become something, not IAS officer, doctor, so become, make your mind, powerful. Like example, sir have sir remember lot of word meaning. If any student ask, sir, what is the meaning of global, so sir suddenly sir sir will tell you, because of sir the power of flame, the power of thing, sir always remember that. So as well as hard working, you need to make your mind powerful. What is the name? Scientist? I forget right now. Scientist who know everything. Albert Einstein. His mind was very powerful. Logical mind he had, and so I want to only in last I want to only say that if you want to become hard, so don't become lazy. Do hard working. Become hard worker person, so you can achieve anything. So I want to finish my topic. If you like my channel and like my video, so please like my video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Have a nice day.
ग्लोबल स्पोकन इंग्लिश फर्राटेदार अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखे मात्र 90 दिनों में। हमारे ब्रांच है सर्वोदय इंटर कॉलेज के सामने, मछवारा मोड़, घोसी, जिला मऊ। हमारी दूसरी ब्रांच है मधुबन रोड, पुराना नवजीवन हॉस्पिटल के बगल में, घोसी, जिला मऊ। हमारी तीसरी ब्रांच है HDFC बैंक के